Levier fine writing instruments and Levier casting products are proud to present the turning and assembly process of a Venetian pen. This is another project of the Red Pen series. The first step of this project is to mark the correct length of our tubes. It is important to leave a 1/16 or at least 2 millimeters to avoid any chip out during the drilling process. The combination of the bandsaw and a cutting jig will provide a precise and accurate square cut. After the cutting process, we are going to move to the drilling of the pen blanks. It is important to select the right drill bit for each particular pen tube. For the drilling process, we are going to use the lathe. We are going to use our 4-jaw scroll chuck. There is a commercial available chuck for the drilling process using the lathe, but we have discovered that this accommodation is precise and accurate for our job. Organization can be defined as another form of art. Now that we have selected our drills, it is time to move or to install the pen blank in our chuck. Using the lathe for the drilling process, we need to pay close attention to the variables of speed, pressure, and advance of the drill during the drilling process. For the gluing process, we can use polyurethane glue, epoxy, or CA. Now that our pen blanks are drilled, glued, and clean, it is now time to do the setup in our pen mandrel. The pen mandrel that we are using, it's combined with a collect chuck. Now that we have validated that we have enough clearance, it is now time to move to the turning process. Sharp tools are a must for any turning project. There's a complete library on how to sharpen your turning tools here in YouTube. Username Levier 2011. We are using the roughing gouge to transform a rectangular pen blank into a cylinder. As we can see here, the cuts are very precise and we have not made any errors, or the pen blank is performing properly. This is the advantage of using Levier casting products. The roughing gouge will be used for the first set of cuts. Then we are going to move to the spindle master and the skew. Here we are using a black and white view due to the high glare of the video. We are using now the spindle master for the final shape of our project. As we can see here, we are using the tool on a flat position, very similar to a scraper. But we can see that the results are almost flawless. That means that little sanding will be required. The high performance of our pen blanks in combination with our sharpening process provides an almost perfect finish. Still, we are going to do progressive wet sanding from 120 grit to 2000 grit. After the sanding, we are going to use the buffing process. For the buffing, we use a red and a blue compounds. The last step is to add plastic polish. Plastic polish will eliminate all the scratches from the sanding process and will provide or will add a high gloss, high shine, flawless finish to our pen project. For the assembly process, the only thing that we need to do is to follow the manufacturer's instructions. The end result, another masterpiece made by Levier. If you have any questions, comments or concerns in regard to this video, feel free to send us an email and we will reply as soon as possible. If you are interested in this pen or in any of our casting products, send us an email and we will provide you with our complete and catalog of all our writing instruments and our unique and one-of-a-kind pen blanks. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.